Welcome back to Wheelwise Reviews, where we bring you in-depth looks at the latest vehicles on the market. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Clarity Plug-in Hybrid, a car that blends eco-conscious driving with Honda's renowned reliability and performance. The 2025 Clarity Plug-in Hybrid offers a unique driving experience that caters to those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing everyday convenience. The vehicle features a combination of an electric motor and a gasoline engine, designed to give drivers flexibility for both short commutes and longer road trips. With an electric range of about 45 miles on a full charge, it's perfect for city driving. The transition between electric and gasoline power is seamless, ensuring a smooth and quiet ride regardless of which mode you're in. Under the hood, the Clarity Plug-in Hybrid houses a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they produce around 212 horsepower, giving the car enough power to handle highway speeds with ease while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. The regenerative braking system also contributes to the vehicle's efficiency, capturing energy typically lost during braking and using it to recharge the battery. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Clarity is designed with comfort and technology in mind. The interior is spacious and well-appointed, offering high-quality materials and a layout that feels both modern and functional. The seats are comfortable, with plenty of legroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a good option for families or those who regularly carry passengers. The infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, making it easy to connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps, music, and navigation tools. Safety is a key feature of the Clarity, as it comes equipped with Honda's suite of advanced safety technologies. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a blind spot monitoring system. These features are designed to make driving safer and more convenient, especially during long trips or when driving in heavy traffic. The overall driving experience in the Clarity Plug-in Hybrid is smooth and comfortable, with responsive steering and good handling, making it feel planted on the road. When it comes to cargo space, the Clarity offers a decent amount of room for a plug-in hybrid. The trunk space is slightly reduced due to the placement of the battery, but it still provides enough room for groceries, luggage, or other everyday items. Additionally, the back seats can fold down